Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace license plate bulbs on the 7-gen Nissan Maxima. So, because the lights ain't working, as you can see. So, we're going to get a pry tool, and we are going to sit there and replace the bulb. So all you need is a pry tool. Alright, so what we're going to do, just pop these boots off. You don't need no tools, just your fingers. I apologize for the freight train that's going by. So now we're going to get the pry tool. We're going to move 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to set y'all down. I'm going to start popping those out. And to get these out, just put your pry tool in between the little indentations, as you can see. So if you pop it in, get one side in. Oh. Sit there and pull it out. So we're gonna get the others out. Alright, so now we're gonna pull this forward. So this one and this one is your license plate bolts. So all you gotta do, twist and pull out, and then just pull out the bolt. So we're gonna put a new one in. And then pop it back in. Oh, which one? All right. And twist and lock. And then we're going to repeat the same for the opposite side. Twist, pull out. And then take out the old bolt. Pop in the new one. And then put it back in. Twist and lock. Put this back over the trunk latch. Put all your little garments back in. I swear it's always one grommet that give you a hard time, but it's not bent or nothing. Alright, and then just put these boots. All you gotta do, put them into this hole, push in, and then twist. Now we're gonna test the can. See, they're working now. So that's how you replace your bulbs on the 7-gen Nissan Maxima. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.